Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today. Absolute beautiful day outside, and due to the topic of this video, I did not see the need for a computer, so I'm just like, you know what, let's go ahead, make a good old school Alex Cobb video. So, also real quick before we get into it, missed the stream today, do apologize. Basically, I spent like 6-7 hours working on my car yesterday, and I ended up almost having the project done in 3 hours, and then I realized I missed a bracket behind the brake booster, and I had to take a whole freaking thing out again, and then I was completely exhausted, and then for some reason, I woke up at 7 a.m. and like threw up, so I don't even know why, but I was just completely just deadbeat exhausted, and I had to sleep. So again, apologies. We'll try not to miss any more in the near future. So, is this rally over, or are we just getting started? So I am seeing a bit of overall the community generally seems still pretty good, even though we're dropping like 11-12%, right? But what you guys got to keep in mind is that in the past, when these types of bull runs have happened, dude, big retracements always occur. I remember when XRP in the last bull run, it got up to like, let's say like 70, 80, 90 cents in that range, and it ended up wicking all the way down to like 50. And then we essentially just came right back up a couple days later. But my point being with that is that, guys, in these bull runs, we need retracements. Find me one bull run without a retracement. I'd like to see that. I mean, that probably does not exist. Maybe BitConnect, but I mean, it eventually retraced because they exit scam. But basically, guys, is that, yeah, sure, all the cryptos are down like 10, 13% right now. Might look intimidating, might look scary and whatnot, right? But keep in mind that Bitcoin went from low 3,000s to mid 8,000s in about a month. So yeah, we gotta have some sort of pullback. We gotta have some sort of pullback where we, find level ground, get consolidation, and then finally, establish a support level, and then approach resistance later on in the future. But that's the thing. Yeah, we're down 10-12% right now, and XRP's at 38 cents. But you know what's gonna happen? It's probably gonna most likely start to consolidate and maybe get like an uptrending consolidation at around the 38, 39, 40 level, and then end up pushing resistance later in the week. I feel like that could happen because, guys, we have broken out of a massive 16-month resistance line. 16-month resistance line. That is data literally dating back to like last February, January, or last November. I mean, that's pretty dang far, Not the last November, but November before that. That is a 16-month resistance line. And on the weekly chart, we completely just broke out of it, and we haven't even closed yet. And the weekly candle does not close till like Sunday or Monday, my time. But either way, though, it's like, sure, yeah, we had these massive gains. We had a 64% pump. But guys, to go further, you got to understand, it's absolutely necessary at some points to have a pullback. Because the problem is that if you keep going straight and straight and straight up, you're going to have everyone wondering, okay, well, if it's going just straight and straight up, how much longer is it going to happen? It's got to pull back at some point, right? So the thing is that when the price moves up parabolically, you would think it gives traders confidence, but it really doesn't. It actually gets them to start thinking, okay, so when is this thing going to turn around? Because we know in the crypto space, there is no straight up without straight down. We know that you gotta have downs to go up, right? So, what I'm saying here is that when these prices are going up and they're just skyrocketing straight up, traders are going to lose confidence at some point if it essentially rallies too much. Because again, guys, cryptocurrency is not like any other asset class. It's a completely different beast. I mean, guys, in the stock market, if you get 7% in 1 year, that's considered like fantastic. We get 7% like one day. We ignore 7% gains. We're not even looking for those in this space, right? So in every bull run, you gotta have pullbacks. Pullbacks is what refuel the next pump. That's what happens. So here's what I'm envisioning right now. XRP, 64% rally all the way to 48 cents. Then we start to kind of teeter-totter up here, stay still, and then we came right back down. Now we're like, 37, 38, 39 cents, right? But now, what can happen is that we can start staying stable and find stability at 38, 39 cents, which is still pretty high compared to what we started out with. If we stay stable at 38, 39, 40 cents, if we consolidate at that level, traders are going to see that as, okay, we have found level ground, we've consolidated, we've found a clear support level. Now it's most likely not going to go down, and that gives traders confidence again. So to give speculators confidence that's going to keep going up, you need a pullback with level ground, and then you approach support again. You need to find level ground, because that gives the confirmation that yes, this high price still makes sense. Yeah, it still makes sense to buy because everyone else is buying, and that's why it's keeping the price at 38.39 cents. So guys, in my opinion, the rally in the bull run, I think, is honestly just getting started. I don't know how far this is going to go. I don't know how long it's going to take to get a certain length. I don't know what exactly is going to happen. But I honestly feel like this is just the beginning. This does not feel like a regular pump and dump. And I think you guys agree with me like that. We had that talk in the stream, is that this is not like a regular pump and dump. This is different. There was so much volume behind this. We hit like $6 billion volume in coin market cap. And now keep in mind, yeah, majority wash trading, 100% get it. But also, like, the legitimate volume was almost at $2 billion of real actual liquidity. So I don't think this is just a, okay, pump, all right, dump, then let's consolidate at 30 cents forever. I think this is, honestly, we reached almost 50 cents, and then we're pulling back, and we're going to get that support level right there, consolidate nice and good, create a strong just level of comfort for the speculators, and then got a straight path to keep going up. So guys, that's really what I want to make the point clear. I don't know, again, if you're watching this video, I don't know how long you've exactly been in the space, but just to give you my experience, I was invested before the last, gigantic bull run, which was amazing. Hope this one leads to something bigger than that. But again, that exact same bull run when XRP went to $3, dude. We had freaking retracements all along the way. I think we topped out at 90, 95 cents, and it did not want to go to $1, and we went down to 60 cents, and everyone was panicking. But what ended up happening? Ended up hitting $3 in a couple weeks. So keep in mind that retracements are, I mean, even though it sounds stupid, going down is literally necessary to keep going up. Again, it's not going to make any sense right now if you're new, but trust me, it will. You need to go down to be able to go up. We cannot just go straight up. We need to have pullbacks along the way. And again, those are nothing more than opportunities for you to load up your bags even more. And honestly, it's 38 cents. Not a bad price. That's why I'm very confident that we're going to be consolidating around the 38, 39 cents area for the next couple of days. And probably go up and test resistance probably over the weekend, because oddly enough, crypto has been rallying over the weekends lately. So I do expect that in the future. So guys, there is the video for today. Yeah, I personally, let me know what you guys think in the comments below as usual. Me personally, I think this is just getting started. I'm not going to be scared off some 10-12% retrace. I have literally had to sit there and watch XRP tank 30% down from $3. It's like, dude, 10%, this is nothing. This is just an easy little retracement, and I have no doubt in my mind we're probably going to continue making new highs later in the week. So, thank you guys for doing this video today. Make sure to smash some likes, do drop the subscribe. It does help out the channel a ton. We are at 29,600 subscribers. We are less than 400 subscribers away until we hit 30K, and we can get the new channel membership features. We can get the new freaking emails, the vanity badges, the name color changing. We get just so many freaking cool features in the stream. It's going to be amazing, guys. Make sure do smash subscribe. It does help out a ton. So, thank you guys for tuning this video today. Honestly, I hope to see you guys later tonight in a late night bull run stream, because those are incredibly, incredibly fun. So, thank you guys for tuning the video today. I'll see you guys in the next one.